everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing well. My name is Tracey and I am your Pampered Chef Consultant here on Tracey's Kitchen and Garden. And so today I wanted to come on here and do a daily video, and I'm already going to pre-warn you that it's going to be well over 5 minutes because of the topic that I want to talk about. But before we get started, I just wanted to just express to you guys how super excited I am that January 13th is coming up, and that means that my 1 year anniversary is coming up. And so I just cannot wait. So I wanted to let you guys all know that either starting January 1st or January 2nd, that I will start with different ways to earn raffle entries. I'm going to be giving away prizes and stuff like that, especially to those of you who have hosted in 2018 and all of that. So I cannot wait. Not only am I trying during the next week and a half trying to come up with fun ways. Hi, Mom! Coming up with fun ways to, celebrate my 1 year anniversary coming up. I'm also taking this time to reflect on my business. And so I want to find ways to, when I reflect, I want to find ways to improve in my business. And so I just got nervous all of a sudden. And so, so anyways, I want to find ways to improve in my business because if I don't improve, then there is no excitement in my business, and then it won't grow or it won't continue. And so I am really excited to see where my business takes off in 2019. And so anyways, I just wanted to just come on here. I see a piece of fuzz flying in the air, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and just thank those of you who have hosted parties, that have placed orders, that have supported me throughout the course of 2018. This will more than likely be my last video for the year. Just because my family and I will be pretty active in the next week and a half until the new year. So I won't be back on with a video until the first of the year. But my plan is to do more videos, not only here on Facebook, but on YouTube and also on Instagram TV as well. So if you are not following me on all of those different social media outlets, then you'll want to make sure that you do that because I don't know if everybody follows me on Facebook. They may be more Instagrammers than Facebookers, but anyway, so yeah, so I am super excited for my 1 year anniversary and this time to reflect on my business. You know, it's really important to not only reflect on our businesses, but also on ourselves. And so that's usually what I do for 2000 or at the end of the year anyway. So, excuse me. So I am I really am looking forward to what 2019 has in store for not only me as a person, but as for my family and especially for my business. So anyways, now look, I wanted to come on here not only to say all of that, but for the main reason for being here on this video today is to share with you what I am going to be bringing to my my posts, I guess, throughout 2019. And the reason why is because what I have planned, not only with more videos, but I have planned to bring this into play or into the whole scheme of things, I guess, because this is something that I hold near and dear to my heart, and it's something that creates memories for both my family and I. And so I wanted to do the same here on my page at Tracey's Kitchen and Garden. I will be posting this stuff on Facebook and also on Instagram because I think it is very important to put this thing that I have into practice. And so my big announcement that I have right now that I will be sharing and will be incorporating into my business is the 52-week money challenge. And so If you've never heard of what the 52-week money challenge is, let me just go ahead and explain very quickly what that is. So the concept is simple. Each week you deposit the amount equal to the number of the week of the year into a saving plan. By the end of the year, you will have saved close to $1,400. The actual amount that you will be saving is $1,378 by the end of the year. So for example, in the first week, you will save $1. In the second week, you're going to save $2 because it's the second week of the month. Then by saving your $1 in the first week and then your $2 in the second week, you're going to save a total of $3. And then in the third week, you're going to save $3, which then you have now saved $6. And you go all the way through the year of 52 weeks, and by the end of the 52 weeks, you will save $1,378. And I'm telling you, this works because I have been doing this for many years now, and I wanted to, so this is what I do with the money that I save. So when I'm going to ask you if you're a parent with little ones that are near you or that can hear me, I ask that you ask them to go play in another room or in the room or something, because what I'm going to explain right now, I don't want it to mess things up, because there's some information I'm going to give you right now that I don't want them to hear. So just ask them to go into the other room or something, or you can come back on the replay and put it on pause and then resume the video. But anyways, okay, so the reason why I got into the 52-week money challenge and the reason why it is so important to me and my family is because when I first discovered this plan, Faith had just found out that Santa, the person, wasn't who she thought all of those years he was. And so it kind of, that particular year, Christmas just wasn't the same. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I was kind of devastated that she had found out the truth, because it was just a really fun time for me to make the spirit of magic what it was when she was younger. And so that particular year for Christmas, it was just really different. And so because it was just so weird, I had told my family that I wanted to do something different, change the tradition up. And so what my idea was because I found out about this 52-week money challenge, what I wanted to do was to save throughout the year and do the 52-week money challenge, and then use those funds that I saved throughout the course of the year and use it for a Christmas vacation. And so that's what we did. And so in the first year that I had saved, we went on a Christmas vacation to Vegas. And so instead of staying home and celebrating Christmas here, we went to Vegas. We had a National Lampoon's Christmas vacation. We had an amazing time. But that's what we use the money for, that I save for. And so this Christmas tree that you see, this is a traveling Christmas tree. And everywhere we have gone every year, I have picked up an ornament specifically from that location. So we've been to San Francisco, we've been to Arizona. We'll have like the little ornament right, let's see, this one right here was the Las Vegas. So we have Las Vegas there. That was in 2014. So that was the first time that we used the money for our Christmas vacation. And let's see, in 2015, again, is we went to San Francisco. And then we've been to Arizona. So we have our Arizona right here for Flagstaff and for Sedona. We've also been, here's a Flagstaff. Let me show you this one. Here's Flagstaff. We stayed in Flagstaff, but on Christmas Day, we went to Sedona. Then we also went to Universal Studios. So we have the Universal Studios ornament here. And then we spent most of our day inside of Hogwarts, there inside of Universal Studios. And so anyways, that's what we have done. So that was 2014. We're now in 2018. So I've been doing this for we've been leaving for 4 years now. But I found out about the 52-week money challenge about 5 years ago or so. So anyways, so that's why it's so important for me, because it gives me the opportunity to save those funds so then we can take amazing trips like what you see here on this Christmas tree. And not only is it just gifts that Faith is getting now underneath the Christmas tree, we give her 3 gifts. There's one from me, one from Scott, and then the third gift from both of us. And then we go on our Christmas vacation. And so this year, we are doing something I have to do something a little bit different. And the reason why is because this year we were saving up to go to Maui, Hawaii, because I used to live there for 7 years of my life and I've been wanting to go back. Well, then this amazing opportunity came up mid-year where we had an opportunity to go to Europe and take a 7-day cruise, taking off from Rome, go on a week cruise throughout all these different places, and then it ends up in Venice. And so it was one of those things where, do we go to Maui where we can go anytime, or do we save the money that I've earned throughout the course of the year and then go on the trip to Europe? And so that's what we have decided to do, is to save this money that I've been saving this year and apply that to the trip for the summer, which we'll be leaving in June. Is it June? I believe it's June. And so anyways, that's what we plan to do with our money this year. So I have it all stacked up already and ready to be deposited so then we can use those funds on our trip. But anyways, I wanted to come on here and share with you 3 different ways that you can save for the 52-week money challenge if you are interested. Now, you don't have to save it for a vacation. You can save it for whatever you want to save your $1,378 for. Make a goal, and with that goal, use it for that goal. Now, goals may change, like it did for me, where we were wanting to use it for Maui, but now we have something greater and grander that we can use the funds for. And so that's what we plan to do. And so the 3 different ways that you can save, to help you save, I should say. The way that I use it is I have the envelope system. Okay, so every week, these are all upside down. No, here they are. Okay, so this right here, this is going to be your first week. So this is envelope 1. And then you have envelope 2 for the second week. You have envelope 3 for the third week, and so forth. Okay, until you have your very last envelope, which is week 52. So basically what you do is on week 1, you get your $1, you stick it into your envelope and you stick it to the side. Then on week 2, you put your money, your $2 into your $2 envelope and you stick that to the side. And so that's the system that I have been using since I discovered the 52-week money challenge. Another system that you can do is if you are into a calendar, if you are more of like the paper calendar type of person, what you can do is on Etsy, there is a lady who makes little stickers that you can apply to your calendar. And so this is kind of 1 week right here. So this is the sticker right here. And I have that on each, the beginning of each week. And these are what they are, what they look like, the sheet. And it's from loveyourplanners.com. And she is on Facebook and Instagram, it looks like. But I found her on Etsy. And I love the stickers that she has. It's just one sheet. So that's what they look like. Let me try to get it a little bit closer. Hopefully you guys can see that the quality of this video is okay. Hopefully the video is also showing the right way instead of backwards. So anyway, so that's what the sheet looks like. So you can get your paper calendar and you can apply those stickers to each one of the weeks. Another one that you can do is, you can also, there's an app, and with the app, it's called the 52-Week Money Challenge. And you pick that app. I can't show you the app because it's on my phone and that's what I'm using to record. But there are several different apps that you can download from your phone or from your device. And just look up 52-Week Money Challenge and then download that, and then you can actually keep track that way as well. And so again, you can do use the app, but then you can also still incorporate the envelope system with that app, so then you have a place to put your money. Another way that you can keep track of it as well is if you go on to Google Images, you'll see different forms or different papers, I guess, that you can print out, like this one. This is the popular one that I like to use. It's where you can kind of check mark those boxes as you deposit your money into the envelope system. So this is what my new year will look like here. And by the end of the year, this is what it looks like. So every time I put money into the envelope, I will either put it into the app, or I'll circle a sticker, or I will check mark the particular week that I'm depositing into. So I've done it different ways. So this year I'm still trying to figure out, I think I'll probably end up going the digital way using the app, just so that I do something different, because I've never used the app system before, so we'll see how that works. But I'm still going to be using the envelope system to keep the money in and throughout the year, because this is what has worked for me. So anyway, so yes, so every beginning of the week, I will remind you guys about the 52-Week Money Challenge, how much to deposit for that particular week. Now, if you want to do the 52-Week Money Challenge, you don't have to go like by, okay, so you don't have to go by like 1 week and then deposit 2 on the second week and so forth. If you have $50 1 week extra, then darn it, put it into that $50 envelope and count that as your 1 week, because maybe there's even some people that even go backwards. So they'll do 52 weeks for the first week, and then they'll do $51 for the second week, and then they work backwards. That way it's not so challenging for them to save as it gets closer to Christmas. So it really all depends on how you want to do the system, but just do your envelopes and number them and deposit the money as you get those extra funds. So anyways, everybody, that is what I have in store for the new year. I hope that you guys enjoy the 52-Week Money Challenge that I'll be posting throughout the year. I'll be posting them on, I'll be giving you guys reminders every Monday. So keep your eye on those posts. So anyways, everybody, that is it for the day. If you guys have any questions, then please let me know. I would love to share with you guys or answer any questions that you guys may have. And let's make this 2019 amazing. So anyways, everybody, I will be seeing you guys in the new year. Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys all stay safe throughout the new year and have an amazing 2019 coming up. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and for those of you who are watching the replay, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. See you guys later. Bye! Merry Christmas!